Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are continuing our adventures in vinegar making, and we are going to make beer vinegar. This is not the same as malt vinegar, sort of the same as malt vinegar, but beer, as you know or may not know, has hops in it, and malt vinegar is not made with hops. So I've got 2 bottles of our American Amber Ale, very nice beer, fairly low on the hop level. If the hops are too bitter or too hop forward, that's going to carry over into a flavor that you don't really want in your vinegar. And I have here 1 piece of vinegar mother that is left over from some apple cider vinegar that we made. And you just plop that in. So cover this with a piece of cheesecloth, elastic band around it so that you can keep the fruit flies out because they will be drawn to this in droves. And I'll just stick this on the back counter and I'll see you in 4 to 6 weeks. I have a hard time keeping track of time, but a couple of weeks have gone by at this point, and you can see we've got a really nice strong mother growing on top, and the starter mother that I used has sunk to the bottom. This is now vinegar. So we'll take the top off and use a fork here to get the mother out. It's a good looking mother. And we'll get the starter mother out. I'm not going to be able to use these right away for the next batch, but I'm going to do a video that talks about how to store your vinegar mother between batches. Check that out elsewhere on the channel. And let's give this a taste. Oh, that's amazing. So, that is not malt vinegar because it was made with beer. And the distinction is that it's got the hops in it. Beer has hops in it, and malt vinegar has no hops. Hands down, that beats any malt vinegar that I have had purchased from the grocery store. Hands down. Fantastic. This will be absolutely amazing on chips. Fish and chips with this, just incredible. So, pour this in here to store it. And that's it. Another super simple, made at home DIY raw vinegar. This one made from beer. And this will keep for quite a while on the counter. You know, this doesn't need any special treatment at all. You don't need to keep it in the fridge. Keep it on the counter, and you can use just a little bit of the dregs of this one to start the next batch, or you can store your mother to start the next batch. Give this one a try if you like fish and chips. I think you'll really love it. Thanks for stopping by. See you again soon.